Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss GOC related acidic strength. Any problem of acidic strength you can easily solve with the help of this lecture. So please don't skip the video. Acidic nature of compounds. Now what is acid? Acid means loss of H plus ion and form negative charge. Now suppose a compound AX remove H plus ion to form a negative and H plus. Now this negative charge, this is negative charge, and this is called the conjugate base. Suppose a Lewis acid, H plus ion remove to form the negative charge. This is called conjugate base. Loss of H plus, this is called acid. Now this acidic nature of compound, compounds proportional to stability of conjugate base. That means conjugate base stability increase, acidity increase. Conjugate base means negative charge species. That means negative charge species stability increase, so acidity increase. And this is directly proportional to strength of electron withdrawing group. That means proportional to minus R, minus I, minus resonance, inductive effect, minus hyperconjugation, proportional to 1 by strength of electron donating group, proportional to 1 by plus R plus I plus H. This is resonance plus resonance, this is inductive effect plus inductive effect, this is plus hyperconjugation. Now this is the strength of electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group strength increase, acidity increase, minus R, minus H, minus I, strength increase, so acidity increase. But reverse, electron donating group increase, strength of electron donating group increase, so acidity decrease. Similarly, plus R, plus I, plus H increase, acidity decrease, because conjugate base stability decrease. Now example, HCOO OH, CH3 COO OH, CH3 CH2 CO OH, CH3 this is CH2 CO OH. Now this is A, B, C, D. Acidity order. First form, acidity means H plus remove, all H plus remove to form conjugate base. So HC double bond to O negative, this is CH3 C double bond to O negative, and similarly H plus remove, this is CH3 CH2 C double bond to O negative, this is CH3 CH2 CO negative. Now first check conjugate base form negative, this is conjugate base. Now stability of conjugate base, check minus I or plus R. Minus I, this is CH3 plus I, this CH3 CH2 plus I effect, this is CH3 CH2 CH2, this is plus I effect. We know plus I effect order. This is CH3 CH2 CH2, this is more plus I effect because number of CH3 increase. This CH3 CH2, then CH3, then H, this plus I effect order. we know plus I effect increase, acidity conjugate base stability decrease, and acidity decrease. So plus I effect stability increase, this is inversely proportional increase, so conjugate base stability decrease, so acidity decrease. So now this is the option D, this is option C, option B, option A. So acidity order or first conjugate base stability order equal to A greater than B greater than C greater than D, because plus I effect inversely proportional to conjugate base stability and conjugate base stability directly proportional to acidity. So acidity order same, A greater than B greater than C greater than D. This is the order. Now another example. Suppose CH3, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH, one hydrogen replaced to CH3 group, COOH, and CH3, CH3, COOH. Now acidity order. This is A, B, C, acidity order. Now this is 1 degree carbon, this is 2 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon. This carbon is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree. After conjugate base, this is CH3, CH2, COO minus, CH3, CH. This is CH3, COO minus, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, COO minus. All are plus I effect. So first plus I effect order we know 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So we know conjugate base stability reverse the plus I effect stability, reverse the plus I effect. So 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree, 1 degree greater than 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. So acidity in directly proportional to conjugate base. So acidity equal to acidity order equal to A greater than B greater than C. Next I discuss DNP rule. And all these topics are more informative, so please don't skip the video. Now in DNP rule applied for only for inductive effect, So DNP rule, D for distance, N for number, and P for power. D for distance, DNP, D for distance, N for number, P for power. This is priority first, then this is second priority, this is third priority. Now example, CH2, COOH, this is Cl. Now CH2, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, COOH. This is A, B, C. Acidity order. Now first acidity means remove the H plus, this is form O negative, conjugate base. Now stability of conjugate base, this is minus I effect because Cl all are minus I effect. So this is Cl, this is 1 to 3rd position Cl, this is 2nd position Cl, this is 1st position Cl. First check, this is check DNP rule. Applied DNP rule. DNP first check distance. Distance means lower distance minus I effect, lower distance, this is conjugate base more stable. because minus A effect increase, conjugate base stability increase, lower distance, so this is more stable. So acidity increase, conjugate base stability increase, acidity increase. And then this is the second position, this is third position. So option C is most acidic, then option B, then option A. So this is the acidity order. So first check DNP rule, first check priority first, distance. Distance means lower distance, minus I effect lower distance. This is conjugate base stability more stable. Minus I effect stability the conjugate base. We know. First I discuss minus I effect stability conjugate base. So conjugate base stability increase, so acidity increase. So the order, this is the first position minus I effect, this is second position minus I effect, this is third position minus I effect. So this is first, second, third. Now another example. CH2 C OOH Cl Cl CH Cl C OOH C 3Cl C OOH. This is A, B, C. Acidity order. Arrange the acidity order. Now acidity order means conjugate base formation, conjugate base. This is negative charge after H plus remove. Now check, this is Cl, all the Cl are minus A effect, minus A effect, minus A effect. There is 3 minus A effect, there is 2 minus A effect, there is 1 minus A effect. First check, this is check the DNP rule. DNP rule. Now first check distance. Distance, there is, this is first position minus A effect, this is also first position, this is also first position. So distance same. Then check number. This is 3 Cl minus 3 minus A effect, this is 2 minus A effect, this is 1 minus A effect. So number minus A effect increase, number minus A effect increase, so conjugate base stability increase. So and acidity increase. So option C is most acidic, then option B, because there is 2 minus A effect, then 1 minus A effect. So option A. This is the acidity order. So first check distance same, because first carbon all are minus A effect. Then check number of Cl increase, minus A effect increase, conjugate base stability increase. There is 3 minus A effect, there is 2 minus A effect, there is 1 minus A effect. So conjugate stability increase, minus A effect increase, so acidity increase. This is the order. Now another example, CH2 C OOH, this is F, CH2 C OOH Cl, CH2 C OOH Br, CH2 C OOH I. This is A, B, C and D. Stability conjugate base, stability of acidity order. Now first check, this is from the conjugate base, after H plus remove. First check DNP rule, because all are minus I effect or plus effect. Minus effect, there is minus I effect. So first check distance. Distance, there is first carbon, all are minus I effect. So distance same. Number, there is 1 minus I effect, so number same. Then check power. We know electronegativity order, fluorine greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine, all over we know. And electronegativity proportional to minus I effect. Remember this, electronegativity proportional to minus I effect. Now so minus I effect increase, we know minus I effect increase, conjugate base stability increase, acidity increase. So this is the electronegativity order. So the minus I effect order same, because this is proportional. Minus I effect order, fluorine greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. So acidity order A greater than B, greater than C, greater than C. So first check distance, then check number, number same, distance same, then check power. So higher power, higher minus A effect, conjugate base stability increase, acidity increase. Now another example, so clear this concept, DNP rule. CH3, CH2, CH, Br, COOH, CH, F, 2F, CH2, CH2, this is OH, this is OH. Now H, C, Cl, Cl, CH2, CH2, OH, Cl, C, Cl, 3Cl is there, CH2, CH2, OH. So this is A, B, C, D. Acidity order. First remove H plus. So this is O negative, this is form O negative, this is form O negative, this is form O negative. So conjugate base stability. All Br minus A effect, F minus A effect, 2 minus A effect is there. There is 2 minus A effect is there. Here is 3 minus A effect. First check DNP rule. First check, first priority is distance. Distance, this is first position minus A effect. This is third position. First, second, third position minus A effect. This is third position. This is third position. So distance, this is first position. So A is more priority. A is more stable conjugate base. So A acidity more. Then second check number. Number there is 3Cl is there because all are 3 position minus A effect. This is 1 2 3, this is 1 2 3, this is 1 2 3. So now distance same. Then check number there is 3Cl is there. So 3 minus A effect. So B, then more stable conjugate base. And third, so option B, the more acidic. Then third check Cl, 2 are F, 2 are Cl, 2 are Cl. We know electronegativity proportional to minus I effect. So F is more electronegative than Cl, electronegative than Cl. So minus I effect order F greater than Cl, So option B, this is option D, sorry, this is D. Option B greater than option C. So A, D, B, C. Because A, this is less distance. Then check distance A, 1 2 3 position, 1 2 3 position, 1 2 3 position, distance same. Then the number there is 3Cl is there. So priority number. So number priority. So D is the more acidic. Then check number same. Then power means there is 2 fluorine is there. Fluorine is more electronegative. So more minus A effect increase, conjugate base stability increase, acidity increase. So B greater than C. A greater than D greater than B greater than C. So this is the acidity order. Example H, C, triple bond C, COOH, double bond CH, C, OOH, CH3, CH2, COOH. This is A, B, C acidity order. Now acidity means H plus remove from the conjugate base. This is sp carbon, this is sp2 carbon, this is sp3 carbon. Now remember percentage of S character proportional to electronegativity, proportional to minus I effect, proportional to conjugate base, proportional to acidity. Now percentage of S character increase, electronegativity increase, minus I effect increase. We know electronegativity proportional to minus I effect increase, conjugate base stability increase, acidity increase. Now minus percentage of S character, 3 types. First, hybridization, then bond angle, then ring size. ring size. Hybridization, this is sp3, sp2, sp. This percentage of S character, in case of sp3 this is 25%, in case of sp2 this is 33.3%, sp 50%. Now bond angle proportional to percentage of S character. Bond angle increase, percentage of S character increase, and percentage of S character proportional to 1 by ring size. Ring size increase, percentage of S character decrease. Now discuss sp, sp2, sp3 hybridization. Now percentage of S character increase, electronegativity increase. So there is sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. This is electronegativity order. This is percentage of S character order, and same the percentage of S character order. And electronegativity proportional to minus I effect. So this is stability of conjugate base, same order. This is acidity. So acidity order is acidity order. So there is A, this is sp, this is B, sp2, sp3. So A greater than B greater than C. So A greater than B greater than C. So this is the acidity order. Now another example. This is 3-member ring COOH, the 4-member ring COOH, 5-member ring COOH. This is outer, this is theta, outer angle theta. This is outer angle theta. This is outside angle theta. Now we know ring size increase, outside angle increase. Angle increase means percentage of S character increase. We know, first I discuss ring size increase, so S character decrease. So percentage of S character, sorry, this is percentage of outside angle decrease, percentage of S character decrease. Sorry, ring size increase, outside angle decrease, and percentage of S character decrease, because ring size increase, percentage of S character decrease, because this is inversely proportional. Now we know this is percentage of S character in decrease, so electronegativity decrease. This is acidity decrease. So acidity order, this is A, B, C. So acidity order A greater than B greater than C. So first check ring size. There is 3-member ring, there is 4-member ring, 5-member ring. Ring size increase, so percentage of S character decrease, and percentage of S character directly proportional to electronegativity, and electronegativity proportional to minus I effect, and minus I effect proportional to conjugate base stability. So percentage of S character decrease, electronegativity decrease. So minus I effect decrease, conjugate base stability decrease, acidity decrease. So this is A, the 3-member ring is more acidic than B than C. So this is the acidity order. Now acidity of group 15, 14, 15, 16, 17 hydrates. Now example CH4, NH3, H2O, HF. 14, group 14, 15, 16 and 17 groups hydrate. Now this is silicon carbon family, silicon, germanium and tin. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Water, the sulfur, selenium and tellurium. HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Now the acidity order, left to right acidity increase because electronegativity of central atom increase. Electronegativity of central atom increase. Left to right, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, electronegativity increase left to right, so acidity increase. We know electronegativity proportional to minus I effect, so this is conjugate base stability, this is acidity increase. Now up to down acidity increase. Up to down acidity increase because because charge density decrease as the size of central atom increase. We know charge density equal to charge by size. Up to down size increase, so charge density decrease. So charge density decrease, acidity increase. So summary, the short left to right in group 14, 15, 16, 17 hydrides, left to right acidity increase, and up to down in periodic up to down, this is acidity increase. Remember this thing. Now this is CH4 less than ammonia less than water less than HF. This is acidity order, and another HI is more acidic, left to right HI is more acidic than HBr greater than HCl greater than HF. This is acidity order because this is left to right acidity increase, so this is right side, so acidity increase, and up to down, this is downside, so acidity increase. Now remember acidity order. HCOOH greater than COOH, this is benzoic acid, formic acid, greater than R COOH, COOH greater than phenol, greater than CH3OH, greater than H2O, greater than ROH, greater than HC111CH, greater than ammonia. This is the acidity order. Remember this thing. Now carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Carbon sp is more electronegative than the nitrogen. Carbon sp and nitrogen sp are more electronegative than the oxygen. This is nitrogen oxygen. Electronegativity order. Fluorine greater than nitrogen sp carbon, greater than oxygen sp3, greater than carbon sp, greater than nitrogen, greater than carbon. Nitrogen is sp3. This is the electronegativity order. Remember this thing. First, fluorine is more electronegativity, then nitrogen sp, then oxygen sp3, then carbon sp is more electronegative than nitrogen sp3, then carbon. This is carbon sp3. Now this is the order. H, suppose H2O, HC111CH, ammonia. Acidity order. This is A, B and C. So first from the O is minus, this is HC111C minus and NH2 minus. This is sp3 nitrogen, this is sp, this is sp carbon, and this is sp3. We know the electronegativity order. Carbon sp greater than oxygen sp3 greater than nitrogen sp3. This is the order. Carbon sp greater than nitrogen sp3 greater than oxygen sp3 greater than nitrogen sp3. Now we know electronegativity proportional to minus I effect, electronegativity proportional to minus I effect, and proportional to conjugate base stability, proportional to acidity. So acidity order. So B greater than A greater than C. This is the order. Acidic nature of compound proportional to Ka proportional to 1 by pKa proportional to H plus concentration proportional to 1 by pH proportional to 1 by Kb proportional to pKb proportional to 1 by OH concentration, OH minus concentration proportional to POH. Where is Ka? Ka, when for an aqueous solution of weak acid, suppose Ha react with water, this is form H3O plus and A minus. So K equal to H3O plus concentration into A minus concentration by HA into H2O. So multiplied this K into H2O equal to H3O plus A minus by HA. This is the Ka. This is H3O plus A minus by HA. Ka equal to K into H2O concentration. Ka is called ionization constant or dissociation constant of acid. Now in Ka value increase, so acidity increase. Inversely proportional pKa, we know pKa equal to minus of log of Ka. We know pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. This is the order. So Ka increase, this is negative sign, so pKa value decrease. So pKa value decrease, so acidity increase. Ka value increase, acidity increase. H plus concentration increase, acidity increase. So pH inversely proportional, pH increase, acidity decrease. Similarly Kb, this is the base ionization constant. So similar. Now example, CH3 CH NO2 COOH CH2 CH2 COOH in R3 plus. Now CH3 CH CN COOH CH3 CH CH3 COOH. Now another CH3 CH NH3 plus COOH. This is A, B, C, D and E. Now acidity order calculate. Ka value calculate, pKa value. This is the order calculation. Now first check, this is conjugate base COO minus formation, all are COO minus conjugate base formation. And NO2 minus, this is minus I effect. NH3 plus NR3 plus, this is minus I effect, this is minus I effect. Cn minus also show the minus I effect. And CH3, this is plus I effect. And NH3 plus, this is minus I effect. Now minus I effect order. First check minus I effect order. We know this is NR3 plus more minus I effect than NH3 plus, and NH3 plus more minus I effect than NO2 minus than Cn minus. Remember minus I effect stabilized, negative charge, and plus I effect destabilized, negative charge. So CH3 minus CH3, this is plus I effect, so this is COO minus, so this is the least acidic. We know minus I effect increase, conjugate base stability increase, and acidity increase. Now then check DNP rule. First check distance. There is NO2 minus, this is first position, Cn first carbon, and NH3 plus first carbon, but NR3 plus, this is second carbon. So first check distance, this is first carbon, first priority A, C and E. Then check number, all are one number. Then check power means minus I effect. Order, we know this is NH3 plus greater than NO2 minus greater than Cn minus. So this is the order. So acidity order. So E faster, minus effect increase, acidity increase, E faster, then NO2 minus means A. So A greater than, this is Cn, this is C. Then B and then D. D is last because this is plus effect, destabilized conjugate base, negative charge conjugate base. So this is least acidic. So this is the order of acidity. E greater than A, E greater than A, greater than C, greater than B, greater than D. This is the acidity order. Ka order. Ka ionization constant order similar to acidity order because acidity proportional to Ka. Ka increase, acidity increase, Ka increase. So Ka similar order, E greater than A, greater than C, greater than B, greater than D, and inversely proportional to pKa. So pKa reverse order, D greater than B, greater than C, greater than A, greater than E. This is the order. So first check acidity increase, so Ka value increase, then inversely proportional pKa value increase, acidity decrease. So this is the order of acidity. Next day I will discuss GOC related others important topic. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.